As EV car gain more presence in the market, the truck industry doesn't want to be left behind. Hi, I'm Kelvin, Callbox. Today I want interesting Thermo King EV-580S. It's 100% EV refrigerated truck. Zero emission, reduce air pollution. Better compressor, less noise pollution. To enhance sustainability value, we're using thermoplastic material instead of GRP material, as it is recyclable and help minimize waste. With a cooling capacity up to 5,650 watts and an airflow of 2,000 cubic meters per hour. Even in very hot weather, the EV-580S can still maintain container temperatures as low as -25 Celsius. Let's work hand in hand with Monzone to build sustainability and a greener future. Monzone is the future.